Morning Belgrade, we are now in Knez Mihailova. As you can see from around me, it's pretty early. Well, not early, I guess it's 10 a.m., but for being here, it's quite early because this city lives at night, so there's barely anyone on the street.
Pazi, po ovom akademu još i do treba da je nogu da vrne.
So we came for dinner in Skadarlija in this bohemian neighborhood, and it's quite vivid. As you can hear, there's like traditional music, and they've been playing all kinds of music. Just a few minutes ago, there was Russian Katyusha, so it's really like this Balkan Turkish food. People from everywhere. It's quite international. So food here is 90%, 99% meat. So if you're not much of a meat eater, I can tell you that on the vegetarian side they had fish. So yeah, this is what I'm starting with: soup and this delicacy. What I had here was not really espresso cappuccino. They mostly serve Turkish coffee, which is way too strong for me. I'm not used to that, so I took something they call Nescafe, which is like the instant Nescafe with milk. Apparently they put also whipped cream, so yeah. Um, it's a bit not really coffee like. It's quite watery. I guess that's why there's whipped cream here. And costs around 200 dinars, which is the local currency, which translates as a little less than $2. So really. So right behind me is the Hram Svetog, the central Serbian Orthodox Church. It's been built for the last 80 years. It's quite impressive. I've just been downstairs to the crypt of the church, and it's really one of the most beautiful religious sites I've ever been.